Blockchain may seem complicated, but it's actually simple to understand. In short, it's the technology behind cryptocurrencies that makes it possible to transfer, record, and secure transactions. Imagine blockchain as a digital notebook that keeps track of all exchanges made with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. This notebook is shared among many computers, making it very secure and hard for anyone to cheat or change the information. So, when you use cryptocurrencies to buy or sell something, blockchain helps make sure everything is recorded correctly and safely. The first person to come up with the idea of blockchain was the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto back in 2008 when Bitcoin was first created. But what are the attributes of a blockchain and what does it stand for? In very simple terms, a blockchain has a few key features that make it special. It's secure, meaning that each block in the chain has a unique code, like a secret password. This code will change if anything in the block changes, making it hard for anyone to tamper with the information. Another key feature is its transparency. So everyone who uses the blockchain has a copy of the digital notebook, allowing everyone to see the transactions. This makes the system open and trustworthy. The third key feature is its decentralized nature. Instead of having one person or company in charge, it uses a network of computers, making it more resistant to attack or failure. And the fourth is its immutability, meaning that once information is added to the blockchain, it's nearly impossible to change or delete it, which adds to its security. These key features may not seem like much, but the purpose of a blockchain is to help two individuals make a safe and secure transaction of information with the assurance that the data was not manipulated in any way. If you want to put it this way, it acts pretty much as a universal lie detector. I hope we made this topic easy for you to understand, and if you enjoyed it, give us a like to reward our hard work. Consider subscribing for more easy and amazing videos just like this one, and we hope to see you in our next video.